Okay, now, so the bike looks like this. The entire concept is own, my own concept. I have not taken anything from anyone. Everything which I have thought and done is from my own head, mind. I just thought, let me do this and that. So I'll show you what what the extra features I have installed and what I have done. So first of all, I have took out all the stock stickers from the fairing and made new graphics for the fairing. The entire graphics is from my concept only. You can see from back, from side. I'll post pictures of this everywhere. Sorry for this shakiness, guys, because I'm shooting in my own mobile. I didn't brought my camera and all. So let me show you what I have installed. Here you can see I have installed frame sliders, which is very helpful for the bikes. Both the sides have the frame sliders. Then I have installed this lever guards, which helps from crash. I have used and installed this DB visor, which I have bought it from Amazon only. I'll post all the links, all the product links which I have used in the description box below. So these are all few things you can see from the ground. I have colored few parts in my tire. I have removed this mud guard from here, the mud guard which used to get fixed here. I removed that one also. So here you can see I have installed a mobile holder with charger. It helps you to charge your mobile, or if you are going somewhere else, like you are going on a road trip or something, it helps you to charge your cameras and all, camera craps and all. A GoPro mount is fixed around here for lovely shots. You can see the entire graphics here. I've made little bit of details. I wrote my name here. I wrote the channel name here. There are a few things need to be coming. They will be coming around. The radiator grill on gonna be coming. So I will. Okay, now there are few things you might have seen. There are 2 extra added switches around here in my bike. So okay, so I'll show you what the switches are for. This switch is for the hazard, which I have installed. The main box is around in here. Okay, now I have changed the indicator lights also. As you can see, this mount, I have installed this mount indicators here. I haven't changed the body of these indicators, but the light inside has been changed. The lights are changed. There are LED bulb lights inside. Even LED here also. I have changed the light inside of this tail lamp. I didn't change the body of the tail lamp. I just changed the lights. They were bulb light. They used to give in stock. They used to give bulb light, but I gave LED lights here. I gave LEDs here. If you can see inside, there are LEDs. These type of lights don't come with the bike. I have changed light in here also. This used to come in yellow color, but I gave it a try and made it green so that the bike looks kind of a complete thing. In night this looks very damn awesome. This looks dope. Okay, so I have installed hazard light also there. I'll show you. The switches are around here. Okay, you can't see the light. Wait a minute. This will get started in a bit. Okay, so you all can see the hazards. The hazard is also there. Basically, during the daytime, you won't find the hazard light as such helpful. This is what it is. This looks like this. Okay, now I have I forgot to mention is I have also installed a winglet around from the front, so it looks, the bike's front looks like this, as you all can see. So this is it, guys. I have done till this, only this part of the, this only little things are left. So I hope you all have liked the thing which I have did, and appreciate me. Just comment down below how the bike is looking. Is it looking nice or not? For the pics and all, you all can follow me. The link of the link of my Instagram will be down below. I'll be posting pics from this bike. So this is a new, this entire color scheme is not available in India, or the company doesn't gives you this color scheme. You have to make it in yourself. I made it from Wellington. I went to Wellington and made it. So I hope you all have liked the video. Stay tuned in the channel for more upcoming updates. I will be posting few more videos on this modification. This modification series, okay, let me do it one thing. I'll make a series of videos for this modification part. Okay, I'll be posting how I fix this winglet, how I fix the visor, this winglet, the frame sliders, this grips, those side body mounts. Thank you for the time you all have given me, and the things you all have seen. I hope you all will like it. Bye bye. Till then, bye bye.